This is one of the main questions. We run a lot of ads, and when I read the comments below, they say, oh, I wish you were in Los Angeles. I wish you were in Colorado. They always wish we were somewhere else in the world where they live. We are based in San Francisco Bay Area, and we have studio in New York. But the only time you need to come to our studio is to film your online course. And if you have a great location in your area, we can even fly our team to you to help you create a course over there. So 95% of people come to our San Francisco studio because this is where I shoot. We have professional lights, equipment, it's soundproof. So this is where most people shoot their courses. So the only time you need to come to our studio is for filming part. The entire process of research, content creation, that happens virtually. Then we prepare you for the filming date. All of that happens virtually. The only time you'll need to be here is to film your course. Then once you leave, we develop your funnels, we develop your sales page, we build your email campaigns, webinars. All of that happens virtually. So the only time you really need to come to our studio, either New York or San Francisco, is to film your course. So that's the power of technology. We can take care of everything virtually. And again, if you choose to film here, you come to our studio, or we can even come to you. So I hope that helps you answer that question. If you had the same question, you do not have to be where we are. We come to you, and then you come to us to film your online course. So book that call, schedule your free consultation. We can answer all the other questions you might have, and we cannot wait to work with you.